I did my car at the car wash the other day. And apparently they got some wax on the windshield. I really didn't notice it until just now. Also, while I'm thinking about it, bro, y'all ever had somebody who y'all were like, they called y'all but didn't call y'all back? And it was like, hey man, I'm gonna call you back. But instead of doing that, it was just like, yeah, I would just tell him I'm gonna call him back. I ain't gonna really call him back though. Yeah, I got a few people that be doing that. I be sitting there like, you sure you gonna call me back, man? Like, I'm gonna call you. Like, really? You promised that, huh? Like, yeah, man, I promise you, I'm gonna call. Like, alright, I'm gonna be looking for that call back. Nope. Be like 3 days go by, they still ain't called your butt back. I'll be like, really, man? Really? You said you was gonna call me back? Like, I was. It just ain't time yet. Like, what you mean it just wasn't time yet? How much time you need to call somebody back? It's we good, bro. We good. Wondering if the bridge is flooded over here. Not this bridge, the main Channel V bridge. Because of my location, my neighborhood never floods. It don't matter how heavy the rain gets, it'll never flood because we're surrounded by 3 bayous. They all dump into the central channel. So we got rich areas that'll flood before my area flood. I just always like, wow, that's awesome. Need to get me a little kit. Whenever I do want to record and do this stuff. I do need to get some gas. Yeah, that's what I want. Gotta watch out for high waters and conditions like this. You don't know what's there. It just sneaks up on you. I ain't gonna be like C Green's driving tutorial, but yeah, don't be driving like me in this type of weather. I'm what they call a professional dumbass, so don't y'all be dumbasses. Just record this now, that way next time it start pouring down, I don't have to be out here. I can just look at my video and be like, yeah, I remember when I did that. Come on. Wait for the light to turn yellow, then go. Get your ass out of here, bro. I love rain. I love the storms, man. A lot of people just can't stand this type of weather, but I don't know why they can't stand it. I love this weather. This weather, being inside a vehicle, seeing it against it. They say they love it and they want to stay at home inside, just look at it through the window. I'm just like, nah, man. Yeah, I know it's dangerous, all that stuff. I'm aware. I mean, hell, man. How can you not be out here and love this? Like, look at it, look around it. You see the road lighting up before your eyes. You see the sky, you can see the sky in all its intensity, all its glory. You get a feel for how heavy the rain is pouring. Like, man. I know my mom thinks it's stupid when I say I love to drive in the rain, but I mean, come on now. The rain is amazing. It's really, really good. She loves the rain too, but she loves the rain from at home. y'all just see that big ass branch in the middle of the street. If I got that on video, it goes under strike. Sierra. 2001 Sierra. Guys, if y'all are out in the rain, do some of the people passing by you or some of the people who are in front of you a favor and don't drive with your bright lights on. Like, if you just can't see, just pull over. Or take a route where there's a way that you can see something, but like blinding other people, like that's really dangerous. Most people think, oh, but if I can't see, then what good does it do? Well, exactly. If you can't see, that means you don't need to continue driving. Like, make things simple. Y'all get the bad boy drifting sea green another day. Y'all ain't getting them today. Mostly because I need some gas. What the hell is HEB? It's Texan. That's what HEB is. Alright. Appreciate y'all. I'm about to go home. See ya.